Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, we picked up one of these memory flasher games where you have to follow the order of the colors as they appear. Stay with us and we'll show you how to use it. Here we are, memory flash. Now I've seen some of the bigger games of these. This is a small one. It takes 2 AAA batteries. It says slide the switch on the back. The memory flash will flash one color. Touch this color. Then 2 colors will flash. Repeat the sequence. Continue repeating the flashing colors in each sequence and try to reach 15 steps to win. If you press a wrong color, memory flash will allow a second chance. If no button is touched in 15 seconds, memory flash will turn off automatically. And just turn it back on and start again, okay? Let's open this little guy up. Sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun, doesn't it? Yep. Guess we better get something a little more serious to open this with. There we go. Now on the back, takes 2 AAA flash AAA batteries. Unscrew this right here. Okay. Pull that up. Remember, positive is the little bump, negative goes to the spring. Y'all probably know that. Here we go. Got those in. Slip that back on. Screw it back down so your batteries don't fall out. That would be bad. You'd lose your game. All right. My knife over there out of the way. It says switch on the back right there. Turn it on. It says it's on off. There's off. Okay. On. It flashes a color. Blue. Blue, red. Blue, red, yellow. Blue, red, yellow, green. Uh-oh. It's blue, red, yellow, green, blue, yellow. Blue, red, yellow, green, blue, yellow, blue. Blue, red, yellow, blue, yellow. Uh-oh. I messed that one up, didn't I? Blue. Okay, start again. Blue, green. Blue, green, blue. Uh-oh. Well, you see how that works? Can y'all see it? Let me get you a little closer look, okay? A little closer view here. Memory flash, see? Switch right there on the back. It's off, turn it on. It'll flash a color. There's blue, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red, green, blue, yellow, red, blue, green. Oh, well. I forgot we better start this over. I forgot where it was there. Turn the switch back on. It'll start again. Blue. Blue, green. blue, green, red. Blue, green, red, yellow. Blue, green, red, yellow, red. Well, I'm not doing so good here, am I? Start over. Boy, I guess age is getting to me. My memory's going away. We'll start it again. How you start it again? You turn it off, back on, it'll start. Blue. Blue, red. Blue, red, yellow. Blue, red, yellow, green. Blue, red, yellow, green, red. Blue, red, yellow, green, red, yellow. I'm not doing too good here, am I? I wasn't watching to see how it started, so turn your switch off. Turn your switch back on. I forgot. Wasn't watching to see which one went first. Blue, blue, green. Blue, green, yellow, red. Blue, green, yellow, red, blue. Blue, green, yellow, red, blue, yellow. Blue, blue, red, blue. Oh, man. I hope y'all are better at this than I am. I am not very good, evidently. Remember your switch. You're going to use that a lot if your memory's as bad as me. After you mess it up twice, it starts over, I guess. Okay. All right. All right, start us over. Yes, it doesn't start over. Well, I hope your memory is better than mine. I was not real good at it. I'd be pretty good if it was on music, old rock and roll stuff. I get that. But there it is, Memory Flash. Go check it out. I got links to these on Amazon. A lot of things up there we use, okay? Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.